Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to submit a Meta support request for ad account recovery. If your ad account on Instagram has been compromised, or maybe you see there's an issue with it and you want a Meta support for it, then I'll show you how you can easily get it. So for that, you just have to simply open your Instagram app and then you will be onto its home page. At the bottom, you can see we have five different options. You have to click onto this right one, which is for profile. And once you click onto it, you have to then click onto the three lines and you will be into settings and activity. Then from there, just scroll down and you will see this option for help. Simply click onto this option. Then there you will find options related to support and help. Then you can click on to report a problem, or you can just simply shake your phone. You will get this option, click onto it, and then just simply select this don't include option. And after that you can just simply submit your report here where you can explain your request for ad recovery. If you have anything else to write, like you want to say that you did nothing wrong but your account has been compromised, or if there anything that you think you should add, you can just simply add it. Along with that, you can add a screenshot, and if you have anything like a video or a picture, you can also upload it as a proof. Once you're done with all these things, just simply click on this send option, and then your issue will be sent to the team of Instagram, and once they review it, they will respond it to you. So that's how you can submit a Meta support request for ad account recovery. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then you may subscribe to it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.